Solving an Equation by Dana Woods. The objective of this short video is to help you learn how to find the value of an unknown variable in a given equation. So let's take this beast here. This is our equation. It states the following relationship. 6c plus 18 equals 3c minus 6. Well, when I attack a problem like this, the first thing that I do is I subtract 18 from both sides. What I do to the left-hand side, I also have to do to the right-hand side. So after subtracting that, what I did was I got rid of the 18 on the left-hand side, and I added an additional negative 18 to the right-hand side. So now I have minus 24 on the right-hand side, with also a 3c and 6c on the left-hand side. So the next thing I'm going to do is bring all of the c's over to the left-hand side and just leave the units on the right-hand side. So I'll subtract 3c from both sides, and I get 3c equals negative 24. Once I have 3 equals negative 24, the way I was taught was to multiply times 1/3. I multiply 3c by 1/3, and I get c on the left-hand side, and I multiply negative 24 by 1/3, and I get negative 8. After that, I go back to my original equation, and I plug negative 8 in every time I see a c, and I want to do a check. So 6c plus 18 equals 3c minus 6. Plug in a negative 8, so it says 6 times negative 8 plus 18 equals 3 times negative 8 minus 6. And if I do the math on that, I have minus 48 plus 18 equals minus 24 minus 6. Solves down to minus 30 equals minus 30. Well, the last time I checked, minus 30 equals minus 30. So that's how I solved this equation. So, to conclude, this was a relatively easy problem to solve. It's of the type 1 equation, 1 unknown. We moved the unknown to the left-hand side, and we moved the numbers to the right-hand side, and we solved for the unknown equation. At the end, we did a check. That's always a good thing to do with this type of equation, and checking your work is always good. Solving Equations with Mr. Woods.